Our last time at Linda Terrace, Grammy's house. This is where her recliner was and where she finished aging. The bookcase had books that nobody ever read, I'm pretty sure, in them for many years. Little love seat thing. There were arrowheads and family pictures displayed in this alcove. There's the outside. Porch is pretty new. TV was there. Sat and had some meals here on the bar stool. Kitchen bar thing. The floor was always creaky, this one. A lot of miles in this kitchen sink. Still running water. Dining room table was here. And the kids' table was there.
Hi, Suzanne. This is Paul. Hi. Thank you.
My dad's calling for his brother Don.
Oh, hi. I'm doing fine. I'm sitting here in Covina, the house. And Greg wanted to stop by and get one last visit. And he's taking a video now. I thought I'd call Don and touch base on our plans tomorrow and for the estate sale wrap up. Oh, okay. Well, it'll have to wait.
Miss you, Grammy. It's hard knowing this is the last time I'll be in this house. There's the ugly pink toilet. Unique pink toilet, let's say. And the heater that we always had to turn on as kids. And it got so hot that it became very quickly dangerous.
There's a few things left, but not one better than before.
Didn't take many showers here, but I guess all the kids did. No one has wall heaters anymore. I'd hate to leave this on and run up a gigantic electric bill, so I better turn that off. This was Marilyn's room for a long time, and one or two of the kids' room. I don't really remember whose room was whose. I'm gonna ask my dad about that. This was the junk room, the pilot room. Grammy says I made up that term, pilot room, but I thought she did. And Grammy's room. Her bedroom. Her bed wasn't that way, it was this way. I'm sure I'm doing a bad job with this cinematography, but that's okay, I guess. Hi. A lot of miles on this sink, too. This is a small, actually very narrow shower.
Right, who knows? Okay, yeah. All right, very good. And enjoy your dinner with your friends.
The mantle.
Oh, okay. All right, you're on his bicycle. Oh goodness, really?
Grammy's hospital bed is
Wow.
right here. She passed away December 11th, 2014. And it right now is April 26th, 2015. 5 months ago? Oh, December. January, February, March, April. So it's 4 months, a little bit over 4 months ago. Wow. Feels like yesterday still.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Did he like truck his bicycle to Torrey Pines? He's right here, did he? Was he doing a round trip?
The end.